What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. So my buddy Joshua Balletts sent me some stuff that I ordered from him, and he packaged it in lots and lots of different Christmas wrap. Even Christmas, which I guess it would be kind of Christmas in September. So we got a fuse panel here, and he got me the 100 watt AC 115 volt plug that I was missing. So this plug went with the 115 volt inverter box, as well as the dash switch. I'll show you guys how to install that. And then the other thing I got from him is a complete relay and fuse box from the engine bay. So these are all the plugs and everything. He just cut the harness off, which is fine. But everything's intact. You know, that plug's not so hot, but we're not going to be using all of this. You know, I might use this wire right here as an extension, who knows. But I really wanted the fuses and everything in here. Is what I wanted. So these relays, right there, dim and air suspension assist relay. So what I wanted is actually all of these relays right here. So these brown ones, just so you guys know, these brown ones and these silver ones are the same relay. The silver ones are actually just the updated part number. But I want to show you guys how to install this. I already showed in a previous video installing the plug, the actual switch on the dash, and as well as how to install the inverter module. This guy is nice and hard, this paint. It's acrylic paint, so came out pretty nice. I'm going to take you guys outside. We're going to show you how to install this switch. Or not this switch, but this 120 volt plug. Alright, so we're out here at the truck. So you're going to need to remove this center panel. You're going to lift this armrest up and just pull up on each side. There we go. We can just lift it out of the way. This plug actually goes inside this center panel. It'll be kind of hard to show you guys, but kind of go there. Do my best. So you take your other hand, you reach into this cavity, and you boop. That'll cover off. There we go. Covers off. Now this, you install this going this way. Can't remember if it's down or up. I think it's where the door swings down. Yep. There we go. It's locked in, so now the door swings down. That's installed. And then your little plug will hang through right here. And the way Toyota did it is that this is a sport model. And what they do is they just tie all the wires up like this. See how this harness is tied? If you reach further down, you'll see this plug right here. This is 2007 Sport 4x4 with the 4.7 liter V8. So it's this plug right here that they just tied up. Alright, right there. Pull that out. It's just a 2-wire, red and green. Should match the same plug right here, red and green. There we go, we got it plugged back in. So, or we have it plugged in. So now it is plugged in. We have this other pigtail right here. Can't remember what that one goes to. I'd have to pull out the manual. But we have that plug now plugged in. So this dash switch that says AC 115 volt, push that in. It should turn the inverter in the back on, which on the Sport Editions and most of the vehicles, the inverter will just mount in. And Toyota leaves the harness just like that. I mean, this Sport Edition didn't come with it from Toyota. Didn't come with it, meaning it wasn't a factory given option, but the inverter box is actually back here, right here. It mounts right next to the right side of the trailer harness box. That is mounted right here. So those two items. And then you just plug it in. Toyota gives you the harness. All you got to do is just plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. And then the same with the dash switch. The wiring was just folded twice in a little foam insulation in here. There's also an auto LSD switch that this truck has a wire in here for. It's not plugged in. I do have the auto LSD switch though. And then these are just my locker plugs, and then the Toyota factory DAC control, hill assist control. So that's done. I mean, you could tie it off to another wire. You could just tuck it down here if you want. Okay, that's done. And then you just swing this back over. You know, I have lots of other stuff in here. I have red wire loom and everything for my ARB air locker switches. And then you just pop that back in. And now I'll turn the truck on. And we'll plug my credit card reader in there, see if it charges. Okay, we'll swing the door down. Probably not a great example of this, but okay, there we go. I'm gonna push the switch. Might not be plugged in all the way. Switch light's on. Oh. There you go. It's 100% charged. It's plugged in, providing 100 watts of power. But that's it, guys. So I bet you I could literally just plug my phone in to this cable. Yep, 79%. It's now charging. I turn this switch off. Yep, it's no longer charging on my phone. So everything's functional. I have another little plastic cover here. I'm just gonna throw the cover in the bottom of the box with the rest of the covers. There's a bunch of covers in there. There you go. See all the covers? That's it, guys. That's how you install it for a 115 volt inverter in the 2007 Toyota 4Runner Sport Edition.